Today, we are going to build a very simple JS scraper. It will use Axios and also the Cheerio. So first of all, what we need to do is to open the folder where we are going to code, run the terminal, and of course, npm init-y. Wait a few seconds, everything's going to work, and then we need to npm install and Axios, of course, the Cheerio. Okay, it should work. Then create a new file like index.js. And first of all, what we need? We need to import Axios. So const Axios require Axios. Also, we need to have Cheerio, require Cheerio. The next, when we've got that happen, the only thing just to scrape the page, what we need is to Axios.get, not adapter, just get. There will pass some URL, and that URL can be, for example, const URL equals https://www.bbc.com/news, because it will be easier in that manner and in that example, of course. Then, whenever we are ready, we are creating the then chain response and const HTML equals response that the data. Then, oh come on, data. Then const $sign equals Cheerio that load, and we load that HTML over there. Then we'll create some variable to handle and to store our news headlines. So news headlines equals empty array. And right now we are getting to work with the Cheerio. So Cheerio load, so our $sign, and over there we are going to have like li a, and over there ref equal, and over there news. Oh come on, not that one, over there, and we close it. And with that, we are getting for each of the lines, we'll get the index. Also, we are going to have element. Then we are going to const title equals $sign element, because $sign, remember, is our Cheerio load of that HTML that we got as a response. Then we've got it no, we don't got it. We've got a text that's trim just to get rid of any extra white space. And with that, we'll check if title, there's a title, the news headlines, so our array that we connected and created over there, that push the title here. And of course, we can console.log. We can console.log. Where we can console? Oh, over there. We cannot, because we need to be inside. That's our response. And it's open over there. Yep, and we got it. Console.log. Come on, netlog news headlines, because we need to know if everything's work as it should. Catch error. Of course, we will just make console at error with fetching the data. Okay, of course, when we want to run node index.js, wait a few seconds, as you can see, we got a news head title. And to be sure that we just do what it should and it appears what it should appear, I will show you, come on, over there, that as you can see, we've got the same title as it is on the BBC webpage. So I hope you enjoy it. It was quite fast and quite simple, and see you at the next episodes. Bye.